Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to understand employee stock purchase plans, I'm going to show you and tell you exactly what is going on here. So let's jump straight in. We're in Turbotax, a premium tax service software. It's absolutely fantastic. So we're looking at the employee stock purchase plan, or an ESPP, is by means of which an employee corporation can purchase the corporation's capital stock or stock in the corporation's parent company, often or most likely at a actual discount, right? So the employees contribute to the plan through payroll deductions, which accumulate between the offering date and the purchase date. So if you want to get this on the go, if you want to make a sale of those stocks that you've purchased, you can now go and look on the Turbotax website. If you've logged in, you'll get this page here, and you're going to go up to the top right hand side, and you are going to type in the search bar employee stock purchase plan, or you are going to look for a form, and it is the 3922 form. Now, once you actually type that in, it'll actually give you the option to jump straight through to your 3922 form on your account. Now, this is currently a free account. So you won't actually see the prompt, but it'll ask you if you want to go directly there, and you'll be able to fill in all your details. Now, when you're selling it, a portion of your profits will go to tax, right? Not your total price that you're selling it, but the amount of profit that you are making on those stock purchases that you made. And also then you will get a W-2 form, and the purchase will reflect there. And then you also have a 1099B form, and the sale of those stocks will actually be reported on that 1099B. And what you'll do is you'll go through now when you want to do your tax returns, and you want to have your 1099B form handy, as well as your W2 and your 3922. You're going to have all that ready, and you're going to fill in all the details and go through the prompts of getting your tax returns done with your employee stock purchase plan. If this was helpful, drop us a big old thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it down below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.